In this video, I will show you how to add subtitles on IPTV Smarters Pro. First things first, make sure to log in into your IPTV Smarters Pro. Input right here your login details such as your name, username, password, as well as URL, and click onto this Add User in order to log in. Now, once you have done that, and if you actually have some subtitle errors, what you can do is just head over and navigate to the playback controls. You can use your remote or device controls to bring out the playback menu, and then just locate the subtitle settings. After that, select and enable subtitles. Just choose your preferred subtitle track from the available option. Other option that you can do is to just access the app settings by going to the settings and player settings. You can adjust your preferences such as font size, color, and language of your subtitle. Then after that, save your preferences. It may be because the subtitle is just blurry. In here, we can also troubleshoot issues. So not all content may have subtitles, and on some devices, the subtitle menu might be hidden off screen. For instance, on certain LG TVs, users have reported that pressing the right arrow and then OK can reveal the hidden subtitle menu. So we also have limited subtitle option and the font size option is selectable with other settings inaccessible. So for the alternate solutions, we can use external players, check for app updates, and contact the support of IPTV themselves. So that's how you add subtitles on IPTV Smarters Pro. Hope we helped.